market conditions remaining bullish in a bull market, seeing some continued strength here. We'll look at some of the indicators. We're seeing momentum shoot back up into that extreme range. Breadth is also improving. Buy-sell ratio has been improving, and sentiment still in this upper range, which is common for this kind of a market environment right now. If we look at the buy-sell ratio, we are seeing those come back together. Just about have a buy-sell ratio of 1. We're sitting at 0.94, and we are seeing some continued participation or increased participation in a few different areas. One of the ones that I've been watching is this one right here, this IWM, which is the Russell 2000. This is really the laggard of the group, and we're seeing some continued strength here around this 202 level, and also pushing the Dow had a really nice day as well. Those are kind of been the two laggards of this market index analysis that we focus on. The other one is the bonds that we've been watching. Those are continuing to improve here as well. Not quite up in that upper momentum zone, but we're watching for this range right here for this entire downturn, this sharp downturn, to kind of be retraced and covered, showing increased demand here in bonds, which we want to see. We want to continue to see increase in bonds right here. Short-term bonds, SHY as well, because that means interest rates are coming down, or the bond market anticipating interest rates to be coming down right here. If we take a look at sectors, also seeing sectors improving. We're seeing more in that upper buy zone, less in the hold and sell range, and starting to see a few of these short-term trends that are also starting to tick back up again. We're seeing strong commodities as well. We're seeing silver, which is in the momentum zone and holding that range. Also seeing USO, which is oil, having a bounce off of that 236 momentum zone. That's the area that we tend to focus on for continuation patterns, for continuation of the trend, for it to bounce or find some support right around this location. And as of yesterday, USO doing that. And then also gold in the momentum zone, still holding up in that range as well. So seeing some continued strength across the board in terms of breadth improving, and some nice names in the muscle stock group to keep an eye on. One of those, GATO, which is a silver miner, had a big move, 20% yesterday, massive volume, and it could be a nice continuation there. Also seeing lots of really nice looking names in pharmaceutical and biotech. AMRX is a nice pattern here. You have a good solid strong confirmation bar, kind of a bottoming tail bar off of that 236 support area right here, and increasing volume on the day also for that stock. Several others that are looking very familiar or very similar in there. Another one a little bit deeper down the road here is AROC, which is Arch Rock, solid move here in that oil space. And then also keep your eye on the Muscle ETF group, the new buy list there. You're getting a lot of gold miners. You're getting some of these leveraged ETFs in some of those sectors that are moving. If you're not necessarily focused on one individual stock, but focused more on the sector like gold right now or like silver right now, this is a great way to be able to participate in those moves without having to necessarily pick the right stock, being able to diversify across the entire group. That'll do it for today's update. Everyone have a fantastic day today.